Welcome back. Ugreen Pakistan is the leading tech accessories store in Pakistan, and today we're looking at a real powerhouse for your setup. The Ugreen 10114 HDMI Male Cable. At a massive 30 meters long, it's specifically designed for professional setups in large rooms. Built with high-purity copper and multi-layer shielding, this cable ensures a stable, interference-free signal even across those extended runs. Its durable outer jacket is made to last, resisting bends and daily wear, making it perfect for permanent installations in theaters or offices. It supports everything from home theaters and conference rooms to gaming consoles and laptops, giving you the ultimate flexibility. Whether for a home cinema or a professional presentation, Ugreen delivers crystal-clear visuals and synchronized audio every single time. You get a full 1-year warranty, with Ugreen Pakistan's system handling claims within just 1 week. Upgrade your connection today with Ugreen Pakistan, the best in tech, delivered right to your door.